aspects of your life have you used MindScape?
When it comes to mentally,
Okay.
when it triggers my anxiety, because when my anxiety triggers, my physical body is really affected.
Right. So when you have when you feel the trigger of anxiety affects the body, and you use MindScape to help.
Yes, it's getting clear, and I can more focus on what I want, not on the anxiety, on the good side. Yeah.
Okay. So, but does it helps to calm down the anxiety?
Yes.
Yeah.
It really comes down slowly, that it's become lighter and lighter.
Right. So it is a process, right? It's not like a magic that just disappear. Wow.
And I enjoy the MindScape, the process.
Yeah. Like I always say, healing is a process. It's not a magical pill that you pop and one time and then it's resolved, right? Awesome. And how long have you been practicing MindScape? Seems.
I think that's 2017.
Yeah, about 5 years.
Yeah, 2017.
And you've been using it more consistently since you learned it.
Yeah, there's a time that I forget.
Yeah.
But after refreshing, I enjoy it more. So that's why I asked that, Miss Irene, do you have a workshop?
Right.
Because I want to refresh. Sometimes I don't know, is it still right?
Yep.
Or like what you said, that there's still doubt there.
Right. Cool.
But after that, this, I think 4 months, alumni, it's really fun and great.
Okay.
It's really good this time because it's fun.